Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So guys, today's video, you will see me making a healthy breakfast, a healthy mid-morning snack, and a healthy lunch. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, my chat partners, right now I am preparing some ground chicken so I can make me some breakfast chicken sausage. And the reason why I am going to make my own homemade chicken sausage is because I can determine what ingredients is in my sausage, and it's so much healthier, guys. Now I am getting my water ready for today. And guys, it is always good to drink water. Like, seriously, water is so important for our daily intake, for our bodies. It is so good. So guys, I'm just filling up my water jug, and on today I added some lemon. Sometimes I add lemon to my water. I may add ginger. I also may add garlic. It just depends on what mood I'm in and what I got a taste for. Okay, my chat partners, so now it is time for my mid-morning snack. And for my mid-morning snack, I am going to have some fresh strawberries. Guys, it is so important that we eat fruit on a daily basis. Fruit is so good for the body. And guys, just make sure you eat some type of fruit every single day. It could be an apple, orange, pineapple, peach, plum, whatever the case may be. Just make sure you get your fruit in. And guys, make sure it is fresh fruit. Okay, my chat partner, so right now I am getting ready to write in my food journal. Guys, I love my food journal so much. I enjoy keeping track of everything that I am putting in my body for the day. And my food journal helps me to stay on track with my nutrition and just eating healthier and just taking better care of Dionne. Now I am preparing to make a salad for lunch. Guys, always make sure you wash and clean your produce. Your spinach, your lettuce, your cucumbers, tomatoes, just always make sure you wash your produce. Even if the bag says pre-rinse, wash and clean your produce. And guys, eating fresh vegetables is so important for us to do on a daily basis. And like I always say, fresh is best. I hope everyone has been enjoying this video so far. So right now I am getting ready to make some homemade salad dressing. And guys, this was just a recipe that I came up with in my head. I just used whatever I had in my refrigerator. And guys, it may not have tasted the best, but hey, it's healthier because I actually know what my salad dressing is made of. So sometimes making homemade dressings and just sauces for your food is sometimes best because at least you know what ingredients you are putting in your food. And guys, when it comes to eating healthier and taking better care of your body, sometimes you just have to step out the box and be creative and just make up things and just try different things that will be best for you in the long run. Okay, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.